So what am I doing in the shower with a bottle of lemon oil and a scrubbing sponge? I'm taking off soap scum and mineral deposits the easy way. You're going to put lemon oil on a scrubbing sponge. Work it into the shower door really well and make sure you put enough on. Then just walk away, have a cup of coffee, come back in about 30 minutes or so, and take a microfiber cloth or a heavy washcloth and just start rubbing. It will rub the mineral deposits and all that soap scum right away, and you'll be left with not only a clean shower door, but it's going to leave a great coating on it so it's easier to clean the next time. Look at that, soap scum gone. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.